noise down so I can hear myself think, please? It's quite noisy when I think. Okay, so we're going to go for the drawing. Remember what we do, so place, component, and...
Sorry, can you keep it quiet?
Yeah, thank you. I'm not going to stop you having fun for very long, so you can go and make your boards and do what you want and everything. I just need to get through this early tutorial, okay? So keep your round out, please. So I'm going to place my component, which is this one. I'm going to place another one, which is this one. I'm going to rotate it. Remember, we did all this last week. I'm going to rotate it. Only this time I'm going to do something slightly different, because I'm going to place component and I'm going to go to connector. If I can find it. Connectors. And if we go to connectors, I think it's almost right at the bottom. So you've got two here. You've got test point and SMT, means surface mount technology, that Mike's going to talk to you about in a minute. SMT or TH, there are two main kinds. TH is what you built last week with your little microphone EVU meter thing. That's through-hole technology. Very obviously, open the components through a hole. Surface mount, tiny little things like bits of dust, and they solder to one side or the other side. Okay? So I'm going to take test point THT for through-hole technology. And I'm going to get one of those and I'm going to place it here. Well, I want 4 of those. Okay, so I place 4 of those. I'm then going to close. Now I want to rotate these. They don't look right as they are, so counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. I'm going to rotate these ones clockwise. Clockwise and clockwise, and now I'm going to wire it up. Well, before I wire it up, I'm just going to make it look a little bit more sensible like a circuit. So I'm just going to drag and so they're in line with stuff, and just a little bit further across than that one. Okay, same with these. Remember, don't just drag the writing, you've got to drag the whole component. And we'll bring this one down. That's in line with the other one, somewhere there I think, and that's connected up. So all these are is their test points, but why? They are a physical component, because if you're going to have pins, board pins, now a board pin is just a piece of metal that pokes up from the board, and it's convenient because you can put hooks on it or solder wires to it from the outside world. Okay? So that's what board pins are. So that is just a little round track where you stick a pin through the centre of it. Okay, so we're going to connect, and then finally connect. Now, if you remember what this was all about, this was a potential divider. We saw it as the beginning of filters and all the rest of that exciting stuff. But that's not why we're building this. We're building this because we want to make a PCB. Okay?
Yes, and the draw for 2.
Okay, so make sure you can get there with those test points.